Good afternoon and welcome to our vocabulary course, 638C, Session 5. Our objectives for this class: number 1, you will identify and review Harford County Public Schools Word ID strategy. Secondly, we'll talk about define vocabulary and look at some of those purposes for teaching vocab. Look at those instructional classroom strategies. Number 4, we will review Isabel Beck's 3-tier approach for vocabulary. And lastly, number 5, we'll discover and design a mini lesson to teach or reinforce vocabulary with real literature. This is a quote that was in USA Today back in 2001. And tell me if you disagree or agree with it. If a child comes from an economically deprived home with a mom who has a poor vocabulary by age 3, his or her fate just may be sealed. She or he will possibly never catch up in school and have lifelong struggles with learning. This is what the research says. Do you believe it? Have you seen this in your classroom with your students? It's certainly something important to think about. And by age 3, students are not in school, so that is an important component to consider. Your warm-up activity is on slide 3. So think about, how did you learn new vocabulary as a child, and as an adult, how do you learn new vocabulary? That will be one of the activities that you do in your learning log. And then Isabel Beck, one of those big names in vocabulary, she has many books and has done much research over the years, and we'll be looking a little bit more closely at Isabel Beck's 3 tiers of vocabulary. And remember, on Goucher Canvas, you'll see where you do your learning logs. Remember, this is also in your PowerPoint. On each of the slides, there are places for you to stop, think, jot your ideas, do the activity, and you'll notice when you get down toward the end, you're going to watch some video clips about Isabel Beck's tiered vocabulary. And remember, if those video clips are obsolete, let me know, or see if you can find another one. Let me know as soon as possible, and I'll load a new one on, because I know they do change from time to time. And also on slide 20 to 22, you're going to be talking about that mini lesson, and this is one of your assignments. So that is a closer look of your learning log entries for this session. One of the big ideas for Session 5 is looking closely at the HCPS Word ID. There's many ideas with word identification strategies in this packet. It's been around for a while. I used it in my classroom as a reading specialist. I gave it to teachers to share, and we have posters. Those are the big yellow posters. So look more closely, and you're going to be hopefully learning a little bit more, even if you have utilized this in your classroom over the years. And this is on your Harford County website, where you can access and download a copy also. And then lastly, for your closure, you're going to think about things that you learned, things you loved, and things you listened to or read. All right, that kind of concludes our lesson video for today, and have a great reading and learning experience in Session 5. Thank you very much.